Hello guys, Ivan speaking. Today we'll review one of my first systems. It is now the new version 3.1, but this system is about three years old, and the name is Turbo Profit version 3.1. The beauty of this system is that with the new updates, refreshment which we made, the system is very good to use, not only for binary but also for forex. You will see it now. We get a signal on M1 which is not valid. I will explain you later. So let's first of all explain the rules, how to use it, and then we'll show the different time frames and how to use it for binary and how to use it for forex. For the rules are that you must wait for we have three things to confirm before we enter the trade, and then we are very safe that the trade could go in our direction very safely. So let's see one example here. Let's say this one or this red one. Okay, so we mark it. So let's look here. So what we are waiting? We are waiting for this turbo profit indicator give us the signal or the arrow. So you will see red arrow for sell, or here green arrow for buy. Then what you need, you see this channel, this price channel. This channel also is one of things we have to confirm. The price must be or was in overbought or oversold zone. This is this blue or better green zones. So here, in the moment when we get this arrow, the price is, you see, deeply in the green zone. This is the overbought zone. So this is the second one thing we need, and the third thing what we have to confirm is this strong trend, which is showing us the trend development in different time frames. So as here we are on the daily time frame, we would need daily and the next one weekly to be red. Then we would take this trade. Of course, you see this is in April, so we don't know now what this was like 3 months ago. But if we take this trade, we need it to be also red, at least one day, because we are one day, but also it's not bad to have 1 week also as a confirmation. Even if you have all red, that's better. So here, if we have taker signal for forex, you can make easily 322 pips, because you will exit when, or here, when the price enter the green oversold zone. This is the first take profit zone. Second one is that you wait until this red line go up and cross the yellow, then you get green signal, green arrow, and then you can exit here. This is more risky but more profit. So here you can make 400 pips, or here 340. So this is how it works. Let's check one buy signal. Let's see here. Yes. So here, let's imagine that this is now. that we get this signal now. Here we have a green arrow. The price is outside of this channel, but if it's not outside at the moment of arrow came, we can look few candles before if it was. Yes, it was 2 candles before, it was deeply. So it was, the price was in overbought zone. This is also a confirmation. So from here, what we need these two, 1 day, 1 week, because we are on daily chart. We have it. If you have all green like this is much better. As many greens you have time frames, it's better for the buy signal. So here we can trade until here, or we can wait until the first red arrow came. So this is for forex using on daily. I advise that for long-term forex trading you use daily or 4-hour time frame like here. Let's see two signals. One is one is sell signal. You see red arrow. This is all red. We are on 4-hour. 4-hour is red. 1 day is red. 1 week is red. 1 hour is red. It's fantastic. The price was few candles before in overbought zone, so it's okay. And we can take this trade, and this trade is still now in action. Until now we have about 100 pips, and it's still running because we do not have a green arrow, or we can exit because we are satisfied with the money, with the profit, and the price is in overbought zone. It's up to you. Let's see one buy signal here. You see green arrow, overbought, oversold zone. This should be also green, and until here we can make a pretty good number of pips. You see 122. If we want to use it for scalping, maybe then you can use it on M15, not less maybe. Let's see on M15, latest signal which is still active. You see here, price is in overbought zone, green arrow, and 15 minutes is showing green buy, 30 minute buy, 1 hour buy, 4-hour buy. We are very safe. This is very safe situation. And from here we can take a trade. From now for scalping we have 63 pips. Let's see on a 5-minute time frame. Also very nice setting here. Arrow over sold zone. This is 5 minutes, but we have 5-minute green and all others. So we are very safe that in next 15-30 minutes or even 1 day it will go up. So here we can take and we can trade until here because we have a red arrow. We can make 60 pips, or we can exit here as it went to the overbought zone. So very good for scalping, but here you can use for binary option trading. You see, for binary, if you enter here, you see you can take 30 minutes, 6 candles, and you are in the money. So for 30 minutes is minimum you can take. Even you can take 1 hour expiry, 12 candles, you are in the money. On the 50-minute time frame, minimum 1 hour, so for binary, so it is somewhere here in the money. Minimum 1 hour is 4 candles, you see here, but if you take two hours, it's also good. So it works very, very good. Also, there is a possibility to use it on 1 minute time frame for binary options. Let's see. And now I must say this is a very end of the New York session and the volatility is not good. You see here we have a few confused signals, up, down, but you see the price is moving above the zero line, so it is not so good. You see no volatility, it's not ranging, it's going flat, so this is not so good to be taken. Let's see the previous cases here, the green one. So we could here if we are on M1, so we should take minimum 5, but also up to 10 minutes, all is okay. Of course, you must have this on 1 minute, you must have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes green that you are sure. Even you can trade up to 50 minutes expiry. Let's see some sell trade. Of course, here we have another one green. Another one green. Here you see 10 minutes, 15 minutes, all in the money. You see this is ranging, and because this is M1 time frame, you will be getting these arrows very often because it is the situation when the line, basic line, is moving around the zero line, so it's not good to be traded now. Let's see one sell, you see, you get arrow, and you can take, you see, up to 10 minutes or even up to 50-minute binary, and you will be in the money deeply. Of course, when will you take this, you need 1, 5, and 15 minutes to be red. Don't forget it. Now we have green, but we are not at that time. So this fantastic strategy, this is not indicator, this is strategy, which consists of many elements, and you have 3 elements to be at the same time confirmed, and then you will enter the trade, both for Forex, as I explained, on higher time frame, or scalping on 15 minutes or 5 minutes, or for binary on maybe M1, M5, or M15. You can use both. These arrows are not repainted, so this is fantastic system. You will not find this system in my web page because it's pretty old, so I decided not to put it, but you can find besides this video several other videos about this system from the beginning, from 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and this is the latest version, 3.1. This is not latest from yesterday, but latest for two or 3 months ago. But this is the last one, and it really worked the best. The beauty of system is that you can use it both for binary, both for Forex. You can use it on all time frame, with all pairs, and this is not repainted. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about Turbo Profit latest version 3.1. If you have any questions, my email is below and you can ask me anything you like. The price of this system is really not high. If you want to have this in your portfolio, it is very good investment. If you study it, if you try it, if you demo it, you can make a lot of money with this system. Guys, good night. See you next time.